What's up, everybody? Wilmore in here. Today I'm going to be mowing the yard. And, I'm not going to take you on the lawnmower with me. I don't want to drop my phone and stuff. So I'm just going to set you, like, right over here. Hopefully you have a good view of me mowing. Talk to you in a minute. Yeah. I just had to move some stuff.